are you going, Te?
Mountain!
To the mountain?
How to look?
Oops, kilala dito.
Lightning strike.
Ginubutan kanina trapa lang para hindi matubigan.
Hindi matubigan, bro.
Continue on Burgos Avenue for 2 kilometers.
Ano pa ito katuan nyo sa city? Tanan ito kaya tuan nyo na? Tanan ka na, ito kaya kanan nyo na. Hindi rin naman ito sa
In
wala
600
pa na ito
meters,
katuan.
turn left.
Para lain naman.
Destination is on the right.
Okay, we arrive. Where? Where we arrive? Where?
Mountain!
Mountains. Okay.
I had
Oh.
decided to sit here.
Hindi ako lang makakita. We go there.
Doggy! The head is so fluffy doggy! Fluffy, fluffy dog!
Let's go. Let's go. Dito to. Dito to sa may puno. Ito ano. Kahit nilang lutuan. Ano namin diyo. See? Kita mo din ang plane sa Bacolod. Ito, kita mo to. Ito. Okay, here's the place.
Rainbow! Rainbow!
Okay. Dami, dito may tambay maghapon ah. Okay lang ang place. Dami ng pang tambay-tambay. Okay. Diyan lang kami ah. Mga pe kami diyan na kahit makaon sa mga kabataan. Sa Tao Highlander. Oh, say hello na sa vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Let's go. Let's walk pa ka dito. Dito tayo yun dito. Here, tayo. Go, move dito sa may ano. Dali. Kaya picturean ta ka mo to. Go. Ako naman ano, mabayad, makanto lang ko. Order na lang. You sit down there. Sa chair. Dali.
Look, look. Look at the flower.
Oh, sit down kay I'll take photo. Sit down. Tayo. Tayo.
Oh, that's close.
Come here. Sit down beside your ate. Dali. Kaya makakuha ko photo. 1, tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Dito naman. Oh.
I'm gonna find a bird.
Dito, sit down to, sit down.
So, do we find a bird nest? No. We don't need to. Ooh, what's in there? Huh?
Go, move, move. Dito, dito, sit down to. Dra. Sit down ka mo dito. I'll take a photo of you. Dra.
I wanna find a pond.
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Pak. Pak. Let's go.
Is there any flowers?
Dito, dito, go.
Flower! What's that? Is that it's a butterfly. Hey, butterfly.
Dito, go, move to, pakadto to. Move, move. Tay, dito pakadto, tay, tay. Dito pakadto, dito. Diretso, dire agyo. Sa side, di ba? Sa may flowers na. Kaya we'll take a video.
Hey, look at some pretty. Look up. What's that? Flowers. No, what's that?
Ta, isang ido yun. So, go, move dito.
Oh,
Na,
I want to touch the flowers. Oh, what was that?
go. Go na, pakadto dito.
I like the
Move.
Parang lang!
I'll take a video.
Ate, look what I found! Oh, look, we That's what you did. No, this.
Why na, dito, wala, dito. Go back dito, pakadto dito. Then we will walk sa dito sa plantation.
Ate!
Then we will walk dito sa plantation, dali.
Huya, huya.
Go, go, move. Kaya makadito to sa plantation, no?
Kulikuli, watsa, lindanggo, lindanggo.
Dito sa plantation. Ben, plantation na to. Ang may mga tires. Go. Ari dito kay Manunglian plantation to ng tires. Go. Move. Teo, come here. Dito sa plantation na Andrea na walk. Plantation of dragon fruits. This is dragon fruits. Look at that. Wow. Arang iya nga dragon fruit bunga raw. Do you see that? Aro. Aro. Nah, but it's still
Whoa! They look dragon fruit.
dragon fruit na.
This!
Spiders.
No shouting lang bula.
How strong is it? Oh, it's that strong.
Oh, let's go. Balik. Let's go. Dito ta other side, oh. The other side. Dito.
Because I don't chance to be quiet, but people. You hold up.
Come here. Come here.
Papa said come here. Oh my gosh, we got to get
Go.
Those 10.
Yes. Go.
Go. Look at the trees.
Yeah, let's go.
Looks like the one.
I want to take a photo. So you stand there. You stand there.
Acacia, the shitam wood.
Okay. Here. Stand here. At the middle. Tayo. Go at the middle.
House kind of looks similar.
Go at the middle. Dali.
Wait, did we go?
Stand. Look at me. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go there to the plantation of pineapple. Dali.
Pineapple. Plantation of pineapple. Wait, I remember that.
Go, let's go.
I remember that house. What's pineapple?
There.
Oh. I don't see the pineapple.
Go, go, go.
That
Go,
one?
go, go. Yes, go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Slowly lang ha. Drio on the other side. Drio, Agyo, Drio.
I hope there's no,
And then we'll go the other plantation. No? Lain pag yun. This is the pineapple. Come here.
Okay.
Come here, come here. Theo, go. Move, move. Will you take a photo beside here?
Ano na?
Pineapple plantation. You stand up here.
Oh.
Stand up here. Here. Stand up. Theo, stand up here. Here.
Can we see the pineapple?
Arang pineapple. Look at the pineapple. Di stand up, di below, front me.
I don't see.
Bell, face me, face me. 1. Katado nga ba? Yung mo tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, go to the pineapple. Ito pineapple. Look at the pineapple.
Where?
Then dito, go. I'll take a photo of you.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Also backwards.
Look at me. I'll take a photo. Dali. I-point it. Point on your hands. Go there, go there, go there beside.
Ah, spiderweb. Pineapple.
Oh, let's go.
It's pink. Oh, it's pink.
Let's go, let's go.
It's pink pineapple.
Let's go.
Can we order pineapple?
Go, go, go.
Okay.
Go, the other plantation. Go. Dito, na next. Go.
House, I remember the house. You can overnight here, pa? No.
Wala. Oh, go. Maybe. Maybe that's the owner's house. Whoa. Take a photo here. Stand up there. Stand there.
What?
There. Stand. Come here. Picture. 1, 2, 3, go. I'll send this to your mom. Let's go. Hindi na. Bunga yan na. Don't touch it.
That's the flower.
Ah, that's the dragon fruit. Oh, haro. Na.
Ah,
Let's go. Oh my gosh, they have lime.
lime? I want to see lime.
Haro, take photo.
Lime.
Take photo. Look at me, Bell, Bell, Bell. Hindi pagkuha, don't hold it. Just point it like that. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lime.
Let's go.
Oh, what's in here?
Let's go. I want you to stand up here and take a photo.
Oh, wow. Wait. Huh?
Oh, let's go. Stand up there, oh. Here, stand up there. Stand up, Bell. I'll take last photo and then let's go back and eat. Stand up dito.
There's difference here.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Is there pine here? I don't think so. Is this a pine tree? Maybe it's not pine cones. If there was, then I get them. I wanna feel it. Hey, look, this is for the cars.
For the what?
The cars.
Let's go.
Something's going on me. Something.
Come here.
I wanna get. What's that? What's that?
Go.
Oh, I wanna get one.
Go na.
I don't think we can get the big ones. Don't get the big ones. Because I don't think they're allowed. Careful.
Let's go. Go there. Ano? Nami di ka view, tanablaw. Kung mga may adlaw kag hindi masyado gloomy nami di tambayan di oh. Kita mo to, bakulod to. Na. Sara bakulod lang area. Okay, buyers.
Isa ba? Isa ba?
Oh, tama na kay kapuyon ko na.